Well, back here at home, no snow falling here, but that monster storm is causing some huge problems for air travelers trying to get out of LAX and a lot of other airports all around the world. Thousands of flights have been canceled or delayed because of that blizzard. KCAL 9's Tom Wade is live in the newsroom with an update on the storm's impact on air travel. Tom.
And Elsa, what a huge mess it is out there. So many passengers scrambling to get on their flights to get across the country, or as you said, out of the country. Let's take a look here at Reagan Airport. This is of the snow falling tonight. Crews tried to keep air traffic moving. Plows were out as well, trying to keep up with all that snowfall. Huge lines formed inside, you'll see in just a second. But first, of course, all these snow plows out trying to keep that snow from freezing on the ground. As passengers there could only hope their flights would leave on time. Many were not just trying to get out of town, but they were also trying to make their connecting flights. And as we go to LAX, the monitors said it all. Dozens of flights canceled here, trapping some here in LA. We actually talked to some people who told us they'd be trapped in the Southland through the end of the weekend. One woman said she won't be able to return to Richmond until Tuesday, so she's stuck here. Take a look at this. Here's some of the numbers. About 7,600 flights were canceled for today and tomorrow, so a lot of flights out there. And across the nation, there were about 3,500 delays. Major airlines like United and American announced they were canceling all their flights to certain airports on the East Coast, and Delta was also warning of big delays. And through all of this, we talked to some passengers who are keeping a very good attitude.
My wife and I, we've been around a while, and she was a nurse. I'm a New York City police detective. We've been through a lot of different things in life. And hey, look, you go with the flow. You ride the wave.
Well, there's nothing until Tuesday. So we're going to go to Vegas for the weekend.
Go to Vegas for the weekend. That seems like a good plan. The good news is it looks like a lot of the flights will resume on Sunday. We'll be keeping tabs on all of this throughout the night. Stay with us. Let's go back to you in the studio.